We all know and love the two-step transfer paper that white toner DTF printers are famous for. But did you know that there are one-step transfer paper options available as well? In this video, we'll be covering a few of these transfers that are much easier to use and are surprisingly versatile as well. The big advantage here is going to be the process. Again, these are one-step, aka triple P transfers: print, press, and peel. This means you can keep your printed designs on a single sheet of paper, ready for application on light fabrics and hard surfaces. There's no rasterization required for any of the transfers that we're going to be using. Just print your full image and apply it onto your item according to the transfer instructions. Remember, the transfer media you choose is determined by your graphic and substrate. For more information on how to choose between one-step or two-step white toner DTF transfer paper for your project, be sure to check out the video linked below. For light colored fabrics specifically, Forever Laser Light, the Magic Touch TTC, and T1 are all three great choices that offer vibrant print quality, softness, and washability once applied. I like to think of them as the Nina Jet Pro Soft Stretch of white toner DTF systems. However, unlike Jet Pro Soft Stretch, these transfers take advantage of the no cut feature that white toner DTF printers are known for. This allows for highly detailed designs to be printed and applied with no fuss. All of these papers will be compatible with the most common fabrics, including cotton, polyester, and cotton poly blends. If you're looking for a transfer that could be applied at a low temperature, the Magic Touch T1 is a great option. Though, if you're on a budget or you just want to test something out, you should be considering Forever Laser Light, since it's available in a smaller quantity. For hard surfaces, we have transfer media like Forever Multitrans, Multitrans Pro, and the Magic Touch CPM 6.2, which make your white toner DTF printer a very solid alternative to sublimation. These transfers allow you to bring full color images to uncoated hard surfaces with no color limitations. That means you can customize items like colored coffee mugs or stainless steel insulated water bottles. But don't limit yourself. There's a world of applications beyond drinkware, including wood, metal, glass, acrylic, and paper, just to name a few. As with the light fabric transfers, there's no cutting or weeding required for a successful transfer, though you may find trimming the transfers to size does help with positioning and placement on your substrate. For an affordable drinkware option, Forever Multitrans is the way to go, while their Multitrans Pro is better geared for wood, paper, and cork items. As you can see, there are a ton of applications for one-step white toner transfers. For tutorials on how to use these products, plus lots of other heat transfer content, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell while you're at it. To purchase one-step white toner transfer media for your shop, click on the link in the description or visit us at heatpressnation.com.